Did you ever notice Instant Pot buttons not responding or unit doesn't turn on? It's common to think Instant Pot is not working anymore and time to buy new one. But before concluding, you must try my amazing workarounds first. I noticed buttons on my 3/4 Instant Pot worked on and off with different outlets. If you wonder, actual reason is so surprising and interesting, which nobody tells you. Mini Instant Pot has a slight delay of 1 to 2 seconds in turning on, compared to 6 quarts model. This delay could be there with other models too. So before it could turn on and show off on the panel, it's obvious buttons won't work. Hence always wait for few seconds until unit is powered on. Additionally, it could be due to loose connection. Check if power cord is plugged loose on Instant Pot. It happens when it's moved from one spot to other. So push it tight. If still not, check for outlet issue. Try with different outlets. If it's problem with power supply, it should fix the issue. As a next step, reset your Instant Pot. Unplug the Instant Pot first. Wait for 5 minutes and plug it back in. Resetting the Instant Pot does the job. If still doesn't work, as a last step, try factory reset. Press and hold the cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds until display either turns off or beeps once. Or if your Instant Pot model has reset button, press and confirm to restore factory settings. All customized settings like last use timers etc. will return to defaults. For example, last use timer for pressure cook mode was 5 minutes before. As you see, after factory resetting defaulted to 35 minutes. It should resolve everything. Then do a quick water test with salt and pressure cook modes if water is boiling. If it still doesn't work, check with customer care. And finally, if pressure is not building or steam is leaking, check my video how to fix it easily. Hope you find my tips useful. Stay tuned for many more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.